Every single thing I'm wearing on my face is Highstreet and affordable. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Skin has been prepped, so I'm going to prime. This time I'm using the L'Oreal Glotion. I love this. I go between this and the Maybelline one, if I'm being honest. This is in medium glow. I've still got a bit of a tan, but soon I'm going to be the light one. For the foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Skin Tint. This is shade 40. Let me just get it on my brush. So many of you asked about this brush. It's the Anissa Beauty one. It's not Highstreet, but it's just the brush I like to use. Pour it straight on it and then whack it on the face. I've actually seen a Real Techniques one that I want to try, which is big as well. This is shade 40. It's literally the perfect shade for me at the moment. Look at that. Get rid of the foundation on my lips. Sometimes it just grosses me out. Okay, concealer, the Maybelline one again. I used this in my last video. I just love this concealer. Shade 01. I used the yellow one as well with it last time, but I don't think I need it this time. And let's just apply it like this. I love the little sponge, the little noise it makes. Can you hear that? Just do a little bit there. I've got spots on my chin. You know these ones? Anyone else get them? They're like tight when you wake up. The worst. Just blending in the forehead one before I do my eyebrows. You guys know I like to let my concealer sink in. I just feel like when it warms up on your skin, it blends so much better. So I'm going to do my brows again with the Revolution brow pomade. Ooh, medium brown. I really like this. It's very similar to the other one I use, if I'm being honest. I really like it. Blending it with my damp beauty sponge. These are just from Amazon. They are a pack of like 6 maybe. So on the lid, I always do it on the lid. It just works really well as an eyeshadow primer. And then I'm going to set, where's my powder? With this powder that I used in the last one. This is such a good powder. This is shade Peach. It's amazing. I was looking on Look Fantastic to buy it, but it wasn't on there for some reason. I don't know if it was just like a Boots exclusive. Oh God, a bin bag in the back. I don't know if it was like a Boots exclusive, but I just got it from Boots. It's the same as last time. My under eye first. I'm going to do a powder bronzer today because this look is a little bit more matte. It's a bit more autumny because it's autumn. Well, nearly. Does September count as autumn? My boyfriend seems to think it's October, he said, but I said, well, I'm putting out the autumnal decor now. Same powder for the rest of the face. I just like to use a brush for the rest. I feel like it just sinks in better than if I was to use that powder puff all over. I'm using Max Factor. This is shade 002 Warm Tan. Yeah, Warm Tan. And I'm just doing my neck first. And then I like to do my cheekbones. Do my forehead last. Bronzer just makes the biggest difference. I love it so much. And then finish with my nose. I'm actually going to take a little bit on my eyelid too. I just like it to be a little bit bronze. This is a good time to add your brow lamination because if you do it before powder, I find it can sometimes stick to the brow gel, which we don't want. I really enjoyed the pink blush I used last time, so this time I'm using more of a mauve. It's called Mauve Poudre. Powdery. I really like this because I've got a little bit of highlight in them, and I like to have 2 in 1 because then we save a bit of money, you know. I love that they're not too intense, you know. Sometimes when you put blush on, you're like, whoa. These are quite subtle. And you can build them up and you get so much in here. Just doing my eyeshadow base with the bronzer. To be the perfect shadow for like an everyday look, but I do want this to be more smoky and dark. So let's go in with the Revlon what's it called? Colorstay Cream Eyeshadow. I wanted to try this one. I'm sure I've tried this before, years ago, but I wanted to try this one because it looks like a matte brown. And I'm here for my matte brown eyes. Oh, okay. Got it off. I think it comes with a little brush here, but I wouldn't use that. But hey, it's good for travelling, I suppose. Okay, let's see if I can open. How the heck do you open? Ugh! How do you open this? We did it. We got in. I'm going to use a brush. Ooh. Oh, it's darker once you blend it. I like that. Okay, I love anything that's like just quick and easy. Let's put this on the lid first. And then with that same brush I used for the bronzer on the eye, I'm just going to blend it out. I'm also doing it under the eye. Fancy a black liner today, so going in with the L'Oreal Infallible in black. These are so soft. And I always tightline the top in between my lashes. Do a little wing as well. Just pull it out to there, and then with my nail, just sharpen it off. I'm using Maybelline. It's called Wait. Let me put it on properly. Colossal Bubble Mascara. Okay. It's the first time I'm trying this one, but I do love a Maybelline mascara. Their Sky High is so good. I need to buy a new one. Oh, it's like a twisty brush. and it's black. Because I'm using black liner, I'm going to use black mascara. Bottom lashes too. These sort of brushes are great for the bottom lashes because they don't put too much mascara and make them all clumpy. Lip is L'Oreal lipstick in 505. I've used this all week since I bought it. Oh, it's got it up there. Since I bought it from Boots the other day, and I'm obsessed. Obviously setting it with my L'Oreal Infallible setting mist. I love this. Has it done another full face of Highstreet products, which basically looks the same as high end.